Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to start Unit 9, Environment. We have a matching activity. Let's do it together. Number 1, wind energy. Number 2, greenhouse. Next one, energy saving bulb. Number 4, public transportation. Number 5, solar energy. Number 6, nuclear waste. 7, water pollution. 8, eco-friendly bag. 9, deforestation. 10, rechargeable batteries. 11, pesticides. 12, global warming, and last one, air pollution. Okay, next page. Must, mustn't. We use must to express obligation. Must yapısını zorunluluk ifade ederken kullanıyoruz çocuklar. Mustn't'ı ise yasaklama ifade ederken kullanıyoruz. You must tidy up your room. Odanı toplamalısın. We must save energy. Enerji tasarrufu yapmalıyız. Zorunluluk ifade edeceğiz must ile. Mustn'ta ise yasaklama var. You mustn't drop litter in the street. Sokağa çöp atmamalısın. Have to, has to express obligation. Bunda da zorunluluk var çocuklar. You have to work hard. Çok çalışmalısın. She has to be a good listener. İyi bir dinleyici olmalı. He, she'de has to kullanıyorum. Diğerlerinde have to kullanıyorum. Have to, has to'dan sonra fiilim gördüğünüz gibi çocuklar gelmiş. Burada da aynı şekilde must'tan sonra veya mustn't'tan sonra çocuklar fiilim geliyor. Choose the correct one. Rules. Rules, kurallarımız, kurallar. You must obey the school rules. Okul kurallarına uymalısın. Must. You must or mustn't listen to the teacher at school, and you must listen to the teacher at school, and you talk to each other during the lesson. Mustn't talk to each other during the lesson. You must or mustn't do your homework. You must do your homework. You can ask questions to your teacher. Soru sorabilirsin. You, çocuklar mustn't deseydik burada ne olacaktı? You mustn't ask questions to your teacher dersen soru sormak, öğretmene soru sormak yasakmış gibi bir anlam çıkacaktı o zaman. You mustn't join the activities in class. You must join. You can, mustn't Eat in the classroom. You play football in the school garden. You can play football in the school garden, but you mustn't play football in the classroom. Okay, next page. Circle the correct answer and match the pictures with the sentences. I'm going to open this part. Eşleştirmeyi zaten yapabilirsiniz çocuklar. Cümleler basit. We mustn't use solar energy. Must use. Okay, next one. We use public transportation. We have to use. We must or mustn't use eco-friendly products. Must use, right? We have to use wind energy. Number 5, we mustn't or must switch off the lights when we leave the room. We must switch. Okay. Next one. We must buy rechargeable batteries. Must. We mustn't cut down trees. We have to turn off the water when we don't use it. We shouldn't recycle glass, metal and plastic. We must recycle glass. Next one. Mustn't use plastic bags. Next one. We mustn't plant new trees. We must plant new trees. We have to use energy-saving bulbs. We shouldn't or should stop water pollution. Which one? Should, of course. Okay, next activity. What must or mustn't we do to protect the environment? Write sentences. Use the phrases in the box. We have here some phrases and we are going to use them. Number 1, we must use public transportation. Number 2, look at the picture. We mustn't cut down trees. Number 3, we must plant trees. Number 4, we mustn't use pesticides. 5, we mustn't waste water. Su israf etmemeliyiz. 6, we must recycle glass, paper and plastic. Bunları geri dönüştürmeliyiz. Neleri? Kağıt, plastik, cam. 7, we must use solar energy. And last one, We must turn off the lights. Okay, next page. Read and complete the sentences. We must stop global warming. Which one? We must stop global warming because it threatens lots of plants and animal species. Rainforests are disappearing. Yağmur ormanları yok oluyor. So some species of animals are in danger of extinction. We have to take necessary precautions to save energy sources. If we use public transportation, eğer toplu taşıma kullanırsak, the air pollution will reduce. Hava kirliliği azalacak. You must turn off the lights when you are not using them. Farmers shouldn't use too many pesticides because they are poisonous and harmful for our health. Okay. Activity 8. Read the text, choose the right words and write them on the lines. We have 3 options here. Almost every day we hear that our planet is in danger. There are many problems such as blah blah and global warming. A. Environment. B. Wildlife. C. Pollution. Which one? There are many problems such as pollution and global warming, but we don't take any precautions to save our planet. We cut down trees and destroy forests, so wildlife disappears. We create a lot of rubbish and we drop litter on the streets. The air pollution is at a high level because we prefer using our cars to public transportation. We don't save electricity and water, and farmers use too many in agriculture. Farmers use too many pesticides, and this gives harm to the soil and plants. What must we do to help the environment? One answer is to recycle as much as possible, so don't throw away plastic, glass, metal or paper products. Don't forget to turn blah blah the lights. Turn off the lights and other electronic devices when they are not in use. We should stop destroying forests and plant more trees to prevent air pollution. Number 8. Use your cars less and take a bus, walk or cycle for short distances to reduce air pollution. Hava kirliliğini azaltmak için kısa mesafelerde bisiklet sürebilirsin veya yürüyebilirsin veya otobüse binebilirsin. Use your cars less. Arabaları daha az kullanın ve otobüse binin. Buy organic food from local farmers. They are healthier than junk food. They don't pollute the environment either. Okay. Next page. Şu kısmı çocuklar sizin yapmanızı istiyorum. Read the text and match them with environmental problems and circle the correct words. Okay. We have here water pollution, global warming, waste, air pollution. Blah blah is one of the most important environmental problems today. The factories are everywhere and they pollute, increase the air we breathe. Which one? Increase, artması, herhangi bir şeyin. Pollute, kirletmek. Pollute, right? Pollute. Burada da zaten air pollution cevabımız çıkmış oldu. Hava kirliliği önemli bir problem. Çevre problemi. There are millions of cars on the streets and they produce harmful gases and pollute the air too. So we must use filters in factories and start to use public transportation before it is too late. Okay. Is the increase in the temperature or habitat of Earth's atmosphere? Global warming, right? Temperature increase. Global warming is the increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere. It also changes the Earth's climate. The rainforests are natural defenses against it, but they are preventing or disappearing nowadays. Because people are cutting down trees. They must stop destroying the forests immediately. Next one. Kills millions of animals such as fish, birds, and dolphins every year. Water pollution, right? Su kirliliği milyonlarca hayvanı ki bu hayvanlar balıklar, kuşlar, yunuslar her sene milyonlarcasını öldürüyor su kirliliği. We reduce our chemicals into seas. Chemicals, sorry. We pour our chemicals into seas, right? Rivers and oceans and pollute the water sources. A lot of sea creatures are in danger of extinction today, and humans are responsible for it. Birçok deniz canlısı bugün extinction neslinin tükenmesi, nesli tükenme tehlike içinde and humans are responsible for it ve insanlar bunun sorumlusu. Okay, next one. Waste is a big problem these days. To keep or find our cities clean, we must recycle as much waste as possible, especially paper, glass, and plastic. And we mustn't drop litter in our streets. Okay, next page. We have here a puzzle. Our planet is in, and people are responsible for this situation. Our planet is in danger. Temperatures will all over the world because of global warming. Sıcaklık tüm dünyada bir şey demiş. Because of global warming. Increase. Sıcaklık artıyor tüm dünya çapında. Okay, next one. People should trees and save the forests. People should plant trees. If we take care of the environment, our world will be healthier and more beautiful. We should take precautions to prevent air pollution because it is the most important cause of death. Air pollution is the release of harmful gases into the atmosphere. Global warming changes the Earth's climate. And last one, you should put these empty bottles in the recycling bin. Okay, that's all for today. See you. Take care.